Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef tender. Achieving perfectly tender beef starts with understanding your cut. Some cuts are naturally more tender, while others require a little help. We'll explore various techniques, from physical methods like pounding to chemical processes using marinades. Proper cooking is also key, ensuring your beef is juicy and melts in your mouth. Let's dive into making every bite a tender delight. Mechanical tenderization is a straightforward way to improve texture. Using a meat mallet, pound your beef evenly to about 1/2 to 1/4 inch thickness. This physically breaks down tough muscle fibers. Alternatively, you can score the surface of the meat in a crosshatch pattern or use a jacquard tool to create tiny punctures. Remember, slicing against the grain after cooking also makes a big difference in perceived tenderness. Chemical tenderization primarily involves marinades. Acidic ingredients like lemon juice, vinegar, or buttermilk help break down tough connective tissues. For example, marinating in a citrus-based mixture for at least 30 minutes can significantly improve tenderness. Enzyme-rich fruits such as pineapple or papaya also contain natural tenderizers. Be careful not to over-marinate with enzymes, as it can make the meat mushy. Aim for a marinating time between 2 and 8 hours for best results. Finally, proper cooking techniques are crucial for tender beef. For tougher cuts, low and slow methods like braising or stewing are excellent. Cooking at a lower temperature, around 275 degrees Fahrenheit, for several hours allows collagen to break down into gelatin, resulting in incredibly tender meat. Always rest your cooked beef for at least 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and tender final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.